Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a side view mirror on a Nissan Altima. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and a trim removal tool. Next, ensure you have a compatible replacement mirror ready. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine before starting any work for safety. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel using your trim removal tool to expose the mirror's wiring. Locate and disconnect the electrical connector that powers the mirror's functions. Finally, unscrew the 3 mounting bolts or nuts that secure the damaged mirror to the door frame. Keep these fasteners safe for later use. With the old mirror removed, it's time for the new one. Carefully position the replacement side mirror onto the door frame, aligning the mounting holes. Secure it firmly using the original mounting bolts or nuts. Next, reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror's connector. Before reassembling, test all mirror functions, including power adjustments and any integrated turn signals, to ensure proper operation. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior door panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Give it a gentle push to confirm it's flush. Double-check all the new mirror's functions one last time, including power adjustments, heating, and any integrated lighting. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep easier, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. You'll find everything you need there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.